The boy who loved color. I can be anything. I colors with a brush. What colors is your hair? What colors are your legs? We like to play outside. I liked red rose patterns. Petals. Water will wash away colors from hands. I like to paint. We are going towards the school. We reach for the sky. Suddenly I have an idea. Make sound the clouds rumble and rain. Look at this rainbow. Clouds clouds are clouds are stretched across the sky. This is a dark colored sky. I see shining colors in the sky. There was a boy. He loved to color. One day he wanted to color lots of things, but he couldn't find anything. So he took his brush and made his hair green, his legs blue. Then he went outside. There he saw a flower. All the plants are the same colors, he thought. They they should have many colors. So he took his brush and he saw a tree. He saw a he saw a tree. This should also have many colors, he thought. So he took his brush and he saw a house. Let me color this house too, he thought. So he took his brush and he saw a river. Let me color this river too, he thought. But how can you color a river? Then the water will wash away all the color. Then he had an idea. If I paint the sky, I will see the colors in the river, he thought. So the river will be colorful and the sky too will be colorful. So he took his brush and jumped 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 up high towards the sky, but his brush didn't reach the sky. He climbed he climbed on he climbed on top of the house. Still his brush didn't reach the sky. He climbed on top of the tree. Even then this brush didn't reach the sky. He climbed on top of a hill, but even then his brush didn't reach the sky. Now what shall I do? He thought. Just then, suddenly, clouds, the clouds began to rumble. It also began to rain. A big rainbow, a big rainbow stretched across the sky. It had many, many colors, light and dark and shining colors. Oh, it looks as if it has been made with my brush, thought the boy. He stood he stood on the hill and smiled as he looked at the sky and smiled as he looked at the sky. I like to play with the children. What things they like to play with? Do you have children in your house? Sorry. Do you have children in your family? I like to play with them because they are fun. Children like to play together. Same time I read with them.